Let's take a look at this 80-inch storage cabinet. Now, if you're looking for an attractive storage unit without sacrificing a lot of floor space, you might want to consider this storage unit, which is 24 inches wide, 80 inches tall, and only 12 inches deep. This 6-tiered cabinet can be used as a kitchen pantry, a dining room cabinet, an office bookcase, a living room storage, or as I use it in my bedroom. You could see the arched farmhouse design on the upper and lower doors, the white wood grain finish, and the polished gold handles give it a finished furniture look. So behind the 4 doors, you have 6 storage compartments, including 2 shelves, which can be either adjusted or removed, so you have a number of storage options. The soft close hinges give you the availability to control the door closing so it doesn't slam, wake up your partner. Kids are not going to damage the furniture by trying to slam it. Another great feature is that the bottom has a molding cutout, which gives you the availability to mount the unit flush to the wall. Because the unit is 80 inches tall, it gives you a lot of vertical storage space. It's the same height as my closet doors, so it makes it look like one complete wall unit and is not an eyesore in the room. Because it is a tall piece of furniture, it does come with stabilizing hardware so you can mount it directly to the wall. And speaking of hardware, this is a large piece of furniture, so I'm not going to lie to you, it does take quite some time to put together. Each piece is clearly marked, the hardware is in individual marked bags, and all the pre-drilled holes are precise and they all match up. It took some time to put together. It did go together easily. The instructions were extremely clear and easy to read. Now overall, this is an excellent solution for adding substantial amount of storage without taking up too much floor space. And I'm very pleased with both its appearance and its functionality. So for me, it's a definite gotta get.